In this video, we're going to show you how to test a car battery with a multimeter. Let's get to it. To test a car battery with a multimeter, all you need is a multimeter with a DC volt setting, which is indicated by the straight and dotted line symbol next to the voltage. If your car was hooked up to a battery charger, first disconnect it and turn on the headlights for a minute to remove any surface charge that might give a wrong impression of the battery's health. Then turn the dial on your multimeter to the DC volt setting. We only have 1 volt setting because ours is an automatic multimeter, but if you have separate volt settings, choose the one with the straight and dotted line that's closest above 15 volts. Connect the red lead to the positive battery terminal and the black lead to the negative battery terminal. And make sure they have good connection. As you can see, our multimeter measures 12.79 volts, which is perfect, but this doesn't mean it's a good battery. This only means it can hold its voltage and all the internal cells are working. Inside a 12-volt battery are 6 cells which each deliver 2.1 volts. So if your battery can't hold voltage and quickly drops back down to 10.5 or lower after unhooking it from your charger, you probably have a bad cell and need to replace your car battery. To test if your battery needs to be replaced, you need to perform a cranking test. If you're working alone, you can clamp the leads to the battery posts with plastic clamps like these and place the multimeter on your windshield so you can see what's happening from inside the vehicle. Then start the car with your multimeter connected to the car battery. When starting the car, you need to keep a close eye on the voltage drop on the display. If it drops below 10 volts, it's best to replace the battery as this is a good indicator that your battery's health is declining. Ours stayed above 10 volts, so we're good to go. Although this basic cranking test is a good indication, it doesn't say everything and might sometimes be difficult to read. You also can't be sure your multimeter displayed the lowest voltage unless yours has a min-max setting you can use, which records the lowest and highest reading. Our multimeter, unfortunately, only has a max reading function, not a min, but we'll link to one with a min setting in the description under the video, so make sure to check it out. And now you know how to test a car battery with a multimeter. We also have a separate video showing you how to test a car battery with a battery tester to get more accurate results and even a load tester, so make sure to check it out. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.